Have you ever wondered why some car features appear faster than others, or why certain technologies take years to reach the market? The answer often lies in government regulations. While rules can seem restrictive, they play a surprisingly crucial role in shaping automotive innovation, influencing everything from safety standards to environmental impact. Regulations is a catalyst for innovation. It might seem counterintuitive, but regulations often push carmakers to innovate rather than hold them back. For instance, emission standards have driven the development of electric vehicles, hybrid systems, and advanced fuel technologies. Without these requirements, automakers may have been slower to explore alternatives to traditional combustion engines. Balancing compliance and creativity. 1. Meeting standards quickly. Companies must ensure that new models comply with the latest regulations, which often means integrating new technology early in the design process. This can spark creativity, as engineers look for novel solutions to meet both regulatory and consumer expectations. 2. Cost management. Regulations can increase production costs, especially for small manufacturers. However, they also encourage efficiency in design and material use, leading to smarter, leaner engineering practices. 3. Competitive advantage. Innovating within regulatory frameworks can set brands apart. A company that develops a fuel-efficient engine ahead of new emission laws, for example, gains a market advantage and reinforces its reputation for cutting edge. Environmental regulations driving change. Environmental rules are among the most influential in shaping automotive technology. Limits on carbon emissions, fuel efficiency standards, and noise restrictions push manufacturers toward electric drivetrains, lightweight materials, and alternative fuels. 1. Electric vehicles. Stricter emission standards accelerate the adoption of EVs and hybrids, compelling automakers to invest in batteries, charging networks, and energy-efficient design. 2. Lightweight materials. Regulations on fuel efficiency encourage the use of aluminum, carbon fiber, and other lightweight materials to reduce vehicle weight without compromising strength. 3. Sustainable practices. Environmental rules also influence production methods, encouraging recycling, reduced waste, and cleaner manufacturing processes. Safety regulations and technological growth. Safety standards are another major driver of automotive innovation. Regulators set benchmarks for crashworthiness, occupant protection, and pedestrian safety. 1. Advanced driver assistance systems. Requirements for accident prevention have accelerated the development of radar, cameras, and AI-driven assistance systems. 2. Crash test innovation. New materials and designs emerge from testing processes, leading to safer, more resilient vehicles. 3. Global safety standards. Even brands in competitive markets must adopt technologies to meet or exceed international safety expectations, promoting cross-industry innovation. The future of regulation and innovation. As technology advances, regulations continue to evolve. Autonomous vehicles, connected systems, and AI-driven mobility introduce new challenges for policymakers. Rules around data security, ethical AI decisions, and liability in accidents are shaping the next generation of automotive innovation. Forward-thinking manufacturers see regulations not just as rules to follow but as opportunities to lead. By anticipating changes, companies can develop technologies that comply ahead of time, gaining first-mover advantages and shaping the market. Final thoughts. Government regulations may seem like hurdles, but they are often the invisible hand guiding automotive progress. From safer cars to cleaner engines, rules push engineers to think creatively and develop technologies that benefit both drivers and society. For consumers, this means access to vehicles that are safer, more efficient, and increasingly intelligent. For manufacturers, embracing regulation as a driver of innovation can lead to competitive advantage and long-term success. The next time you marvel at a new car feature, remember sometimes rules are what make the magic happen.